Economical CNC router. It uses advanced CNC technology, can achieve precise engraving and cutting, and meet the processing needs of complex patterns. Its advanced CNC system and mechanical structure ensure accurate positioning and uniform tool path, so that the engraved pattern is clear and beautiful, and the edges are neat and smooth. For example, when engraving patterns on the surface of furniture or making fine wood decorations, it can perfectly present the design pattern and add artistic value to the work. Equipped with a simple and intuitive control panel and user interface, it is easy to use.